Nos stoelen druk bezig, sea com trabalho, school, gym, e ta hoop fácil para não dar uma prioridade na tempo com a família. Pero maior tem rol hoop importante em saúde mental de you.
Even when we are hoping to spend time as a family, we have our phones out or we have to think about all the things we have to do that day. And so it's really hard to just be fully in and present with our kids, unfortunately.
Cantidad de casos de salud mental de hobennan ha subido drásticamente. Esta inclui depresión, ansiedad y pensamiento de suicidio. Y hope dinan no te haya e ayuda necesario.
So I think it's really important for us to think about one, how we can help our youth who are unfortunately feeling sadder than ever before and lonely. We know that we are in a loneliness epidemic.
Pensei, tá importante para encorajar maior para fazer o Take 5 Challenge. 1. Todo dia passa por lo menos 5 minutos sem nenhuma distração. 2. Larga mucho quis que para fazer em 5 minutos aqui. 3. Tá positivo. 4. Tá presente. E 5. Participar de lo qual não pede para fazer junto.
Think about the fact that most kids, they don't get much autonomy throughout their day. They are told what the routine and the schedule is and what they have to do. So having 5 minutes where they get to choose something and you as a parent are praising them and giving them attention means a lot.
Salud Fabiola Angela Hernandez, Patria Noticia.